And a special thanks and shout out to Community Ford Lincoln of Bloomington, Indiana, for allowing me to come out and film this 2018 Ford EcoSport Titanium. Hello everyone. Today let's take a detailed, in-depth walk-around look at the brand new 2018 Ford EcoSport. This is a titanium trim level shown in lightning blue metallic and features the ebony black premium leather interior. This EcoSport is four-wheel drive with Ford's intelligent full-time automatic all-wheel drive system that works in conjunction with Ford's advanced track RSC roll stability control system. It is powered by the 2-liter Ti-VCT inline 4-cylinder engine. It creates 166 horsepower at 6,500 RPM, 149 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 RPM. The EcoSport features a 13.6-gallon fuel tank, and EPA fuel mileage estimate ratings are 23 miles per gallon in the city, 29 miles per gallon on the highway, with a combined estimate rating of 25 miles per gallon. It uses 4 gallons per 100 miles. The sole available transmission is a 6-speed SelectShift automatic transmission with sport shift settings and manual shift via the toggle switch on the side of the shifter. Around the rear, gloss black accents trim the rear windows, and the taillights feature transparent lenses and utilize incandescent lighting. On the swing gate, a chrome plinth finishes the top of the license plate housing, and lower down, there is a single exhaust outlet below the charcoal black plastic bumper with satin titanium accents. Rear ultrasonic parking sensors are also installed, as well as a backup camera. All US spec EcoSports will be available in the following trims: the base level S with the 1-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine, the value-oriented SE, sporty SES with unique matte copper interior accents and partial leather seats with cloth inserts and copper stripes, and the luxury-oriented top-level titanium. Steering on the EcoSport is electric power assist. Wheels are the 17-inch premium dark stainless painted aluminum wheels. Sits on 205/50 R17 Bridgestone Ecopia tires. Brakes are 4-wheel power assisted disc brakes with ABS. The EcoSport is not equipped nor available with active brake assist. Up front, the EcoSport features a large clamshell hood with prominent chrome accented and charcoal honeycomb grille matching the style of the rest of the Ford family. Large, clear, incandescent projector-style headlamps with LED signature daytime running lights, as well as fog lamps and turn indicators mounted lower down. Satin titanium trim is mounted low on the lower air intake. Alright, this vehicle does feature Ford's Intelligent Access keyless entry system. By keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket, you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle doors. To lock the vehicle doors, simply locate the rib portion on the door handle. The vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply grab the handle as you would open it. And inside, charcoal black with the satin titanium accents on the door handles. Nice soft touch materials. Of course, this vehicle does feature power heated mirrors. The exterior mirrors feature LED turn repeaters, as well as the indicators for the blind spot monitor, power windows and power door locks. Satin titanium accents and molded cup holders in the door panels. Leather trim seating with accent stitching and perforations. Height and tilt adjustable head restraints. Seat mounted side impact airbags. And this vehicle does feature an 8-way power driver's seat with manual adjust lumbar support. Headlamp control with front fog lamp controls, as well as instrument panel dimmer. Manual tilt and telescoping leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, I'm panning through the interior and showing a little more details. Nice fluid electric assist power steering. Leather wrapped steering wheel with various controls. You have your trip computer menu controls, as well as your cruise controls. And on the right hand side, you have your sync phone and Bluetooth audio controls. Nice, clear, easy to read instrument panel with 8,000 RPM tach, coolant temperature, fuel level, and 140 mile per hour speedometer, and a single color digital display screen. Shows various vehicle functions, as well as audio controls. You've also got trip computer functions with fuel economy. Digital speedometer, and navigation integration. And this vehicle is also equipped with the 10 speaker, 675 watt Bang & Olufsen B&O Play sound system. Does have the sync control screen on a floating display. Various audio controls, as well as phone integration controls. This vehicle is equipped with Sirius satellite radio. Of course, you have your navigation, various apps, as well as vehicle settings. Ambient light control, 7 different colors. Control the brightness. Placing the vehicle in reverse activates the backup camera. And it does feature active guidance lines. And this vehicle is Apple CarPlay ready, as well as Android Auto. Hard controls for the audio system. Single zone automatic climate control. Temperature dial reads out the temperature, and the fan speed shows the fan speed increments. You've also got 3-stage heated front seats. And down below you do have your auto start stop feature, traction control system on and off, 2 USB ports, 12-volt power socket, dual illuminated front cup holders with a storage tray. You've also got a handbrake, sliding armrest on the center console, lifts up to reveal storage with a removable liner. Overhead you do have an automatic dimming rearview mirror. You've also got overhead map lights and your dome light. Power sunroof control, as well as sunglasses holder. Sun visors feature vanity mirrors, and there is overhead illumination as well. Another nice feature is the sun visors do slide on extendable rails. And you also have overhead dampened assist handles. Alright, and let's take a look at the rear seat. Similar treatment on the rear doors as well as the front doors. And the rear seats do seat 3 across. They all feature high adjustable head restraints on all passenger seating areas. It is a 60-40 split folding seat. Overhead illumination. You also have the fold down center armrest with integrated cup holders. Down low on the floor you do have a household style AC outlet. Seat back mat pockets. Alright, and folding the seats is easy. First you need to lower the head restraint, then press the button high on top of the seat, and the seat back will fold flat. Lifting the seat back up, ensuring that it locks, and then latching the head restraint back in place. Another way of folding the seat is you can lower the seat cushion, or raise the seat cushion up, lower the seat back, and it folds more flat to help with longer items. Alright, let's take a look at the luggage area. Inside the right tail lamp housing, there's a release handle for the swing gate. Swing gate opens towards the left to aid in curbside loading. You also have a privacy panel. And luggage capacity is very nice at 20.9 cubic feet. You have a rear adjustable load panel. Underneath you have your tire inflation kit with a towing eye. The load floor can create multi-level floor storage. You've also got your subwoofer and amplifier for the Bang & Olufsen sound system and illumination. As you can see, lining that up is sometimes awkward. Another nice feature is you can fold the rear seats from the luggage area. It is a one-handed operation. And with the rear seats lowered, your cargo capacity increases to 50 cubic feet. And this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the 2018 Ford EcoSport. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching.